Hello, I'll show you how to measure stiffness with this tool. On the initial display, you do not choose the first option, which says select fixed force. You choose the second option. Now the cursor is at the second option that says choose a fixed distance, an indentation distance. So you acknowledge this. And now the next question is, what is the indentation depth? And it starts with a maximum of 15 millimeters. Usually that is too much. So let's lower it, for example, to 5 millimeters. And we again acknowledge this choice. And then the last question is how many repetitions you want to apply per measurement. And it starts with 1. And for stiffness, I recommend 3 repetitions. And again, you acknowledge. And now you're ready to start. So when you're ready to start, I recommend you have one hand as a quiet, stable fixation hand. And I recommend that you try to touch as much as possible of the tissue with the lateral side of the hand while you hold the tool. So this hand feels any changes in the tool, but you also feel when you are starting to lose the contact with the body underneath. And then your second hand will start to vertically press down here. And we recommend an average increase in force of about 1 kilogram per second. So you can choose to do that before on a normal weighing scale or in the ergometer settings in here, that this is a slow, so it's not beating the tissue. So within 2 seconds you would have 2 kilograms. In 1 second you would have 1 kilogram. So that is more a natural leaning speed, and that will be your second hand. Now when you're ready to measure, you push any of these buttons and then the display will go from start to record, and then you should start to already apply the force. So you do that 1 time and then you wait 5 seconds. You do it a second time until it beeps, and you do it a third time until it beeps. So you would do 3 indentations within approximately 15 seconds. Now, after the last beep, you are done with the measurements, and you look at the display, and the first line already shows what you want to know, which is the average stiffness over the 3 indentations in Newton per millimeter, and that's the stiffness number that you need.